Today is Tuesday, 7th of June 2022. The time is 9:55 p.m. and this is the New York session trade recap for tonight. So when I come to the chart around 5 p.m., this is what I see in terms of H4. At that time, the H4 candle is just forming. So I I see H4 daily and H1 is in bullish. And let's go do the multi time frame analysis for today's session. So I marked the SNR level, this one, I did mark this level and also this level. So I have around 4 level in my chart, and go to H1, change to candlestick. For the SND level, I mark this SND level, I mark this SND level, and I also mark this SND level. So the level is very clear. It's quite easy to mark, as you can see here. Then go to M15 for entry. As I said, I went to the chart about 5 p.m. today, and immediately I saw this candlestick going bullish, so I was pretty confident to take the the buy trade, because I see the price are going up. So what I did was I immediately took a buy here. My stop was below this candle. Sorry, this is a sell. Took a buy here and my stop was below this candle, and I was aiming at this zone over here, around here. Yep, just a little bit below here, and it was somewhere here. So it's like around 1 hour, but I'll take it anyway. So this first trade fortunately run into take profit over here, and I got 101, and the candle just punched through this zone. So when this happened, this is the first trade, so this is a winning trade, and then the candlestick formation happened again. This is a breakout, and then I was anticipating another pullback for it to go all the way down here, because I see this M15 zone has been broken. So I take the second trade here, and I was putting the stop somewhere here. Yeah, I put the stop there, and I was aiming for this one. That will be 2R. Then around 7 p.m. Price pullback strong, and then it took my stop here. So it took my stop and what I did is I give this so I took a stop here, that is this trade, minus 106 over here. So I still have a bullish bias, because one thing I did was you see the stop is here. When it hit stop, I was doubting myself, because this looked like a bullish flag pattern, right? If this one goes up, it's a buy setup actually. And then I was thinking to myself, hey, did I squeeze the stop too small here? I should have put it here. So what I did is I took a stop loss here, and then I take another buy trade, and I put a stop below this candle. So this was where the initial trade stop loss supposed to be, and I supposed to still aim at this SNR level over here. So this trade immediately went into stop loss within like 10 minutes, and that's how I got this another loss 104 over here. Okay, so when this happened, as you can see, this is a very big engulfing candle when it closed, and actually when this candle are breaking this low, I take a impulse entry, which is over here. I took it here because it goes down and it pull back before it goes down again. So I took this trade, I put a stop above this candle because this is a last bullish candle, and I was aiming all the way down here. So yeah, that is the SNR level. However, there's a rejection zone over here, but anyhow, I'll show you how this trade unfold. So price go down. At this point of time, the profit was about 170, which is a very good profit, almost 2R, but I didn't close it. And at 9:50 p.m., price break this zone and go all the way up and reject the H4 SNR level over here. So if you really want to look at it, it just correct all this. This is a pullback for this full bullish move, and it reached the H4 level over here. So the mistake I made is I should not have aimed for this SNR level, because there is a demand zone over here, and I should have always aimed at the top of the demand zone or the bottom of the demand zone, like I always did here. So if I would do that, I could have take profit over here with about I remember it's like $170, which is 1.7R. Very decent profit for the night, and I could have come out, I would say, like $50 up at least, because this negate this one, and this one 170, I should have get at least $50 for the night. But because of that, I feel that this is a greed trade, because I have bad trade over here, and I was a bit greedy when I was placing this trade. So that caused me net loss of $200 for the night, because this was this. So I net lost $200 for the night. That's the last trade I took for the day, and yeah, it's a losing day. Okay, so I'll see you again tomorrow for the next day New York session trade session recap. Bye bye.